I welcome you all to this session on final accounts of banking companies. In this session, let us discuss few more problems. This sort of problems may be asked in 12 marks section. First of all, let me go through the problem number 6, but first one in this slide. So an analysis of bills discounted by Mayur Bank Limited shows the following. See, different bills having different amount discounted on different days. Now you have to calculate by taking into account the period ranging from last day of accounting, that is 31st March, till the date of maturity, and you have to calculate discount at this rate for the unexpired period. In a table, when you calculate each case and total it, it is the total amount of rebate you get. Hope it's clear. So in earlier cases, you used to get the rebate amount itself in two problems, bill amount and rebate for the period, only one bill. Here there are different bill, you need to calculate the amount before that, the outstanding period. See, first you take June, full month of April, May and June 4 days, you see. Then in case of June 12, April, May full, then 12 days, like all. When it comes to July, 3 full months plus 13 days. And first you calculate this due date of bills, number, amount. This is like a chart. See, this in this sort of problem we follow this one, calculation rebate on bills discounted, serial number of the bill, due date of the bill available, number of days after due date, amount of the bill, then rate of discount and proportionate discount for the days. Okay, as you know, this is 31st March 2021. First bill June 4th. June 4th. So now number of days after 31st. March, after March, April 30 days, May 31, 61 day plus 4. So it is like this. So 1,45,000 into 5% for 65 by 165, 365 days in a month, 1,291. Like second bill due date 12th June. So now 30 days April, 31 days May and 12 days, total 73 days. Bill amount 4,31,000 at 6% for 73 days. It comes to 5,172. Then third one, 19th June is a due date. So 80 days outstanding. Bill amount 2,90,000 at 4% interest for 80 days. You get 2,542. Then bill for 30th July. So now April 30 days, May 31, June 30 and July 13. Total 104 days. Bill amount on 3,98,000 at 3.5%. Outstanding 1 not. So you will get 3,969. Last one, 23rd, 10 more days. 23rd July. So now bill amount of 2,36,000 into 4.5% for 114 days. It is 3,317. Total, when you make all these amount of rebate, you will get 16,291. That is total amount of rebate outstanding. Here in this problem only this much asked. Then problem number 7. Calculate the rebate on bill discounted as on 31st March 2021. 31st March 2021. No, due date has to be changed. This 6. This is also 6. One minute. That's right. Yeah. This is a date of bill, not due date. Date of the bill, date on which bill is drawn. Amount 40,000, 5 months period. See, from January 20th, 5 months means February, March, April, May, June. June 20th will be the due date. Unlike previous problem, you have to find the due date. Here duration of the bill given or period of bill. In the previous problem, due date itself is given. So you have to add one more. Then table same. See, serial number, due date, number of due date and the number of days after 31st March 2021. Proposed discount after days after 21. Similar now, a bill drawn on 20th January for 5 months, and you know that in case of bills of exchange, 3 extra days has to be added to while calculating date of maturity or due date are called say grace days. So January 10 plus 5 months, January 20 plus 5 months, June 20th plus 3 days, 23 days, total 84 days. On 40,000 at 16%, it becomes 1,472.85. Second bill drawn on 10th February, you see, for 4 months. Again it is February means March, April, May, June. June 10 plus 3 days. So 74 days, 20,000 at 18% for, yeah, 70, that is 729.87. Then other third bill drawn on March 15th for 2 months. So April, May. 2 months plus 3 days, that is 48 days. Not 2 months, 1.5 months. One and a half month plus 2 months it is. And 1 minute. Yes, it is correct. A bill drawn drawn on March up to March 5th, it is in the year. So next for 1.5 month. Here you see not 5 months, that is 3 days, but from March, first case, after March, April 30, May 31, 23 in June. Here in case of second bill, April 30, May 31 and June 13, after the end of the year. Up to the end of the year, that is pertaining to the year. Expired means from the last date of the year till the date of maturity. Yes, not 5 months. That is to calculate for due date. Due date is like this. Then days after closure of accounts. That's right. So at 15% on on 30,000 for 48 days. So it is 591.79. Total 2,794 is a rebate. This is maybe for 6 mark this sort. Addition to that, if journal entry is asked, then it may be. So now problem 8. Given below is an extract from the trial balance of bank as on 31st March 2021. Discounted, bill discounted 12,64,000. Rebate on bill discounted or expired at the beginning. Opening it is 8,000 to be added. Discount received 85,000. An analysis of the bill discounted as shown above shows the following. Amount you see that now both combined. This may be for 12 mark. Amount of 1,40,000 due date to June 4th, 5% like this all. Find out the amount of discount to be credited to profit loss account. See, take the discount, add open rebate, deduct the closing rebate at the end. But rebate at the end is not given in figure. You have to calculate here from outstanding period. You see, when 31st March is a year end, maybe there in the above, yes, 31st March. After March, April 30 in first case, you see, First case due date first June 4th. So April, May full 61 days plus 65 at 5%. That is on 1,40,000. Then other one like previous 71 days or 4,36,000, 4.5%, 3,816. This is after 31st March. 31st March. After 31st March 2021, 71 days. Then June 16 says 30 plus 13 plus 24. So you are not supposed to add, due date itself is given. When the date of issue of bill or is given, then you have to add 3 days to calculate grace days. So last one 26 from July, from 31st March till 5th July, at 4%, that's 96 days out of it. So when you sum up the total rebate, amount of rebate 13,100. Now amount to be calculated, either journal entry but a statement. Discount received 85,000 given, opening rebate to be added, closing rebate has to be deducted. Then journal entries, you see, open rebate, that rebate to interest to add, then to deduct interest and discount to rebate, that's closing. Your corrections required. To be carried forward, interest discount account debited to profit loss account. The amount you see that 79,999. This is all about this problem as well as about this session.